Okay, let's review how to find three additional polar representations of the point. So we have the point 3 and pi over 6. And here's the easiest way to use this rule. We have the point. The r will stay the same, and we need to add or subtract 2 pi to the angle. And then we need to flip r, the sign of r, and add or subtract 2n plus 1 times pi. Let's see how it works. So originally we have 3 pi over 6. So we will use this rule first. It will be 3 pi over 6 plus 2 pi. But we should remember that our angle should be between, your Q should be between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. If we add to a number something greater than 2 pi, it will be too big. So we don't need to do it. Next one, 3 pi over 6 minus 2 pi. I will show how to do it on your calculator. I have my calculator next to you. Or you can do it in your head if you want to. It will be right here. Pi over 6 minus 2 pi. We can simplify. We will factor pi out. So it will be 1 over 6 minus 2, and pi is factored out. Why did I do this? To spend less time calculating and make less mistakes. So I have 1 over 6 minus 2. First of all, I see that my number is less than negative 2 pi. It will be negative 2. It's greater than negative 2, but less than positive 2. So I will change this to a fraction, math, enter, enter. So I have, it will be negative 11 over 6 pi. So this point will be 3 and negative 11 over 6 pi. And maybe it's a good idea to use the colors. Just remember that this looks good, and we will use this one as one of the answers, but we don't know the order yet. So we will keep going. Next will be, we need to use this rule. We will have to flip the sign. It will be negative 3. And we have pi over 6 minus pi. And it will be, again, negative 3, comma. Here I have 1 over 6 in front of pi. And here I have 1 in front of pi. So it will be minus 1. 1 over 6 minus, and you could put 1 here, minus 1. Again, change it to a fraction. It will be negative 5 over 6 pi. And again, this angle is between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. So this we can mark as a good answer. Next, we have negative 3 pi over 6, and we will add pi. You can do it in your head. I can show you how you can do it in your head. Here pi is over 1, so to have the same denominator, you have to multiply pi by 6. So it will be 6 pi here plus 1 pi here. It will be 7 pi over 6, or you can use your calculator. So we found 3 answers. Now we need to put them in the order, and they said smallest, two largest value r first, and then the value angle of angle q. We have positive, negative, negative. So we have to decide which angle is smaller. Negative number is always smaller than the positive number. So it will be negative 3, comma, negative 5 pi over 6. Then we have to choose this number, this point, negative 3, and it will be positive 7 pi over 6. It's 6, even if it looks a little bit ugly. And the next one is this point 3, comma, negative 11 over 6, and put pi here. So this is the solution to this problem. Now we will review the problem number 2. And the point is 4 and 5 pi over 4. And again, we will use the same rule. I will write the rule down here. R, and it will be q plus minus 2 pi. And negative r, it will be q plus minus 2n plus 1 times pi, or it's much easier to say q plus minus pi when we're looking for a q between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. This is a general rule. Okay, let's start. We will use the first rule, so r will stay the same. We have 5 pi over 4, and we will add 2 pi. When we add 2 pi, again, the angle will be way higher than 2 pi. So this idea will not work. 5 pi over 4 minus 2 pi. We will simplify, it will be 4. Again, much easier to use your calculator and time saving. 5 over 4 minus 2. Math, enter, enter. It will be negative 3 pi over 4. And negative 3 pi over 4 will be between negative 2 pi and 2 pi. Okay. Now we need to use the second rule. And one more thing. One point is always, one answer will be with the same r. If you have positive r, you will have one answer with positive r and 2 answer with opposite, negative 4r. Okay, let's look for the next answer. And again, I want to keep it visual. This is one of my answers. So now, to use the second rule, we have to flip the sign here. We have 5 pi over 4. We will add pi. Negative 4. Clear. You can do it in your head. You can do it on the calculator. Whatever you want. We have 9 pi over 4. But even when you calculate it on a calculator, you see that here the answer is 2.25. So it will be 2.25 pi. z is greater than 2 pi, and we have to choose an angle z is less than 2 pi. So how will we solve this problem? We know that 9 pi over 4 is exactly the same as 8 pi over 4 plus pi over 4. 8 pi over 4 is exactly the same as a full circle. So this we can get rid of this part, and we have left pi over 4. So this point we can rewrite as negative 4 pi over 4. And again, pi over 4 is between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. So we have a good answer now. Okay, let's look negative 4, 5 pi over 4 minus pi. So the point will be 5 over 4 minus 1. And this looks good. Math, enter, enter. It will be 1 or just pi. We don't need to put the coefficient 1 in front of pi. Pi over 4. So, but we have this answer already. How will we fix it? We can add 2 pi, but this will be greater than 2 pi, so this idea will not work. We will subtract 2 pi. So it will be negative 4, 1 over 4 minus 2, math, enter, enter. It will be negative 7 pi over 4. And this will be the third answer. So now we have to find the smallest one. Negative r, and this is a negative angle, so it will be negative 4, negative 7 pi over 4. This will be the second answer. And this will be the last, the greatest values, the point with the greatest values.